it's got a round and a round, and look what it does.
Cool. By the way, I'm Shannon, and he is Connor.
And also has a guy on it, see?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Now, know where the dump is?
Where?
I will show you. It's like this. And here it is. It's dumping it. And we need to wait for a second to okay. It's done. There we go. And then this carpet right here is special. And those are train tracks, you see? And these are train tracks. These are train tracks. And then I'm trying to figure out to make a tunnel over here. And I'm trying to go like this. I can't. I don't know how. So just help it out. Now I need to pause that for a minute because it will waste thousands. You see. And this is the other dump. So.
Wow, that's really cool.
Wait, no, it's not. It's not over yet. You see, it's not over.
I'm not sure if you could fit through that.
Yes, it can. See, I told ya. See,
Huh? But it stops right. See, I told you it won't work.
No, I mean, I'm doing the other boots to work out.
Connor, remember, we're putting this on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know that.
Hi, I'm Shannon.
I'm trying to make the book scare me. No.
Yeah, I'm Shannon. Remember that? Yeah. Come on, Connor, are you done?
Nope.
Man, there's no way that he's gonna fit for that either.
This is wall.
Connor, this is taking a little while. We've already done 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Nah, what are you doing?
Are you sure?
See, I told you.
Oh, that's really cool. Anyway, Connor, we're gonna have to do this. You know.
I know.
After,
I want
I
you
know.
to stop in the station.
Connor, should we stop now?